Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you 5 different products that I purchased on Amazon to keep my hats looking brand new so that they do not end up looking like this. Hey guys, so I know I look a hot mess. I just came back from the gym, which is what made me think about doing this because summer's coming and I'm constantly wearing hats in the summer, and every day when I train at the gym, I'm wearing a hat. And I kept purchasing hats and throwing them away, and if you have hats or a head, you know the battle. I was like on a mission. I'm like, let me find products to fix this problem, and I believe that I have. Hack number 1 is going to be, and I already have it in my cap, and I'm going to explain all this in a second. So this is the back, this is the front. So here's the lip of your hat. Push it into your hat like this, and so you can see, guys, you can't see it from the back, which was a concern, but you can't see. Just go like this, and you just lift up the lip of your hat, and then you just turn it back down. You see how perfectly round the hat is now? Shape completely restored. Wash it, set it to dry like that, you're in business. And you can spray starch and rub it in with like a cloth or whatever, and then just leave it on the counter and it will dry, okay? Hack number 2, which is kind of a piggyback on hack number 1, you take it, and I'm sure you guys have all seen this, like the little hat cleaner rack, this, and you just put it on here and press down. In the past, when I have washed it with just the little cap rack like this, get wrinkles and stuff from this, you know, from it not having anything to sit up against. But when you have the bump cap in there, it keeps it like this, so I'll just throw it in the washing machine, and then when it's done, I'll just pull it out and I'll set it on the back porch and let the sun dry it for me. Okay, and none of this is sponsored, by the way. This is sponsored by curiosity, right? Okay, so hack number 3 is this, and it's called Hat Saver. Now the can is really small. It's like a 5.5 ounce can, but you can do like 4 to 6 different hats with it, so worth the money for me. When you get a hat, put this on it immediately. Before you ever wear it, put this on, okay? So this is not like a waterproof spray where it's gonna block everything. You put this on, it's completely breathable, but it keeps, like, y'all, you know how you get like sweat stains right here or salt stains, stuff like that? No, you will not if you use this, but you have to use it when the hat is brand new. Just take it outside, you know, put the little bump cap under it, spray the top, leave it outside for 15 or 20 minutes. Don't spray the inside though, just the outside, and the bill too. I do the bill. And then when you wash your hat, I retreat mine like once every 6 months or so with this, just because, you know, over time it's gonna wear off. This stuff has saved many a hat, so I highly, highly recommend this. Hack number 4, and y'all are gonna think this is crazy, but let me tell you why I thought of this. And I did half this hat and I didn't do the other half just to show y'all. And I'm gonna show you top down here in a second so you can see. Do y'all see this? I know that they sell these little strips, right? But here's the thing. They're usually too short, too wide. They don't stay in place. I've tried them, trust me. It's why I finally settled on this. Okay, and I wasn't being super careful when I placed the tape this morning because I was running very short on time. But you guys can see, this is just from today, makeup. And then that is what it prevented from getting on my head. And this is the side that I did not wash because I wanted to show you guys. See how when you pull this off, there's no residue right here? Like the other ones that you're supposed to stick in here, I've had them before and they left all this. Yeah, and this, it just comes right off. This stuff, it's stretchable. I can cut it to whatever length that I want. And then when I feel like, oh, this is gross, I just take it off. And then guess what? My hats don't have any makeup. The ones that I have had this on forever. I don't have any makeup stains because I just use this. Go all the way around the inside of your hat. Like if you really, really sweat, there you go. You're welcome. 5, okay, there are a billion ways to clean it.